Good morning everyone, this is George Bayruthi giving you the overnight report for Thursday the 23rd of October. FS Securities is a stockbroking firm. We are located on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia, and I intend to give you more information about the company later in this presentation. However, let me start with the disclaimer. Everything I say here is for general advice and general information only. Before you take any action, please consult with your professional advisor or talk to us directly. A copy of this disclaimer is available to you should you wish to receive it. Let me finish off with the final part of the Bollinger Band, which is a technical indicator that we use here at FS Securities. And prior to that, we gave you quite a comprehensive series on options. That was actually a 13-part series, as well as earlier than that we gave you a good series on futures contracts. So if you wish to review these series, all you have to do is go to the website. If you're not already a member, you can subscribe on a 15-day free trial. Let me start with the data from overnight, where we've seen that Wall Street opening higher. However, towards the end, it gave it all away and finished down 151 points, or 0.9%. And the broader S&P 500 was also down by 0.9%. As I mentioned, the market opened higher but gave the gains away following the shooting at the Canadian Parliament House, which unnerved investors, and also negative cash flow results from Boeing. Despite a very good result, they had some negative cash flow figures. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 index that comprises several European major markets rose by 0.6%. In London, the FTSE 100 index rose by 0.4%, and in Japan, the Nikkei index rose by 2.6%. In China, the Shanghai index went the other way and lost 0.6%. On the commodities, gold a short time ago was trading at $1,240, that's US per ounce, down $10 from this time yesterday. Silver at $17.10, down 30 cents. And oil at $80.30 US per barrel. Copper, the world's economic barometer, fell 0.5% at 301 cents per pound. And iron ore, which is important for our miners such as BHP, Rio, Atlas Iron and Fortescue, rose 0.3% at 81.83 US a ton. On the currencies, our dollar is now 87.8 that's US cents, 94.1 Japanese yen, 69.5 euro cents, and 54.7 British pence. And these, of course, are intrabank rates. On our market yesterday, the benchmark ASX 200 index rose 61 points, or 1.1%, to 5,386, taking its gains since its recent low on October the 13th to 5.1%. That in actual fact erasing half of the losses that it incurred several weeks ago. The best performer amongst the leaders yesterday was Newcrest Mines, up 3.6%, followed by Leighton Holdings, up 3.4%. The worst performer was actually Woolworth, down 0.2%. On the economic news that may affect our market and those overseas today, we have in the US tonight, the US home prices, flash manufacturing PMI. Today, during the day, we have China flash manufacturing PMI, and in Europe they also have their flash manufacturing PMI. PMI stands for Purchases Manufacturing Index, which highlight the manufacturing activities in each of those countries. Local shares are poised to open lower as US stocks retreated on concerns about Boeing and shootings in the Canadian capital. The SPI futures contract was down 30 points a short time ago, indicating a negative opening at the start. During the week, our analysts here at FS Securities placed several stocks for picks and trades. This is only a summary of the positions. A more detailed information is placed on the website under our picks and trades menus. If you wish to discuss any of these stocks, you may wish to call us directly or visit our website. Every day we update the market volume to show the trend over the last 3 weeks. We also like to show the ratio of advances to declines. It really shows the strength of the momentum and how the buyers and the sellers interact. I believe this is one of many ways to understand the trend of the market. Again, this chart is available on our market report that we send to our subscribers every morning and we place on the website. From the chart you can see that yesterday we had low volume with higher than usual advances over declines. So by looking at the ratio of advances over decline and include that with the volume, you start to have some understanding about how the moving of the trend is happening. Alright, finally we'd like to show you the top 10 companies amongst the ASX 200 and as well as the 10 worst performing companies. So starting from the bottom, Lynas Corporation was down 9%. Bretken and Iron and Atlas Iron were actually down. Going through the list all the way to the top, we have Northern Star rising 7.4%. And if you look at the chart below it, you notice that Northern Star was up by 4% the day before. So that's a nice rise of nearly 12% over the last 2 days. Bidel Resources was up 6.1%, and so is Mount Gibson Iron. Again, if you wish to discuss any of these companies, all you have to do is discuss it with us. Finally, we like to show you the sectors. We like to show how each sector is performing, and going down the third column, you can see that utilities was actually the worst performing sector, down 0.2%. However, the best performing sector was actually gold, where we've seen that rising 2.9%, followed by metal and mining and material. Okay, finally I'd like to introduce myself. My name is George Bairuthi. I'm the director here at FS Securities. I have many years of trading and investment experience and several qualifications to support what I offer my clients. My ambition today is to help our clients and prospective clients to become effective investors and traders. I mentioned we are a stockbroking firm here on the Gold Coast in Queensland. We are fully licensed and we trade shares, options, commodities, CFDs and foreign exchange, and offer our clients a very attractive investment at 7% over 1 year, interest paid monthly, or you can earn 9% per annum over 3 years, and again interest paid monthly. Also, we are financial planners and cater for all your financial needs. How to reach us? We have a landline 61 for Australia, 7 for Queensland, 56304141. That's our landline. You can also reach me by calling my mobile phone number, which is seen on the screen, as well as you can write to me at george@fssecurities.com.au, or you can visit our website and join us on a 15-day free trial to surf right through the website to see our daily recommendations, daily scans, our current trading positions, as well as our results. You'll also see all our tutorials, education webinars, all our daily editorials, and many charts and a lot of information. So why don't you register right now for the 15-day free trial. Anyway, finish off by saying have a nice day and happy trading.